What's up guys, Gygax here, and welcome to the channel. We're coming at you today with a little unboxing video. AC Infinity sent out little swag boxes to people that boosted their newly opened Discord server. I'm not sure if it's still going on, it might be. So if you're not there, make sure you hop on over. I'll have a link to their Discord server in the description. And also make sure you're in my Discord server. I'll have that link down below for daily grow pictures. So yeah, let's just crack on into it. I'm not sponsored by AC Infinity. I just love their products. I use everything except their light. I use a micro light. So let's just crack on into it. Now I know what's in here because I saw pictures on Discord already from people that got theirs. But yeah. All right. Packaging, as always, on point. AC Infinity always has such great attention to detail. Follow them, social media, acinfinity.com. To our best buds. I love it. Thanks. You guys are fantastic. Thanks for all that you do, guys. Over at AC Infinity, thanks for the content creators, for everything they do. Thanks for really bringing this community together, man. You guys are awesome. All right, thanks for being a fan. Sweet. Here's what it looks like. Straight up, first thing, the blend, Stash Blend. I'm really looking forward to seeing this and using this. I'm definitely looking forward to using this. I gotta do a little research and see how to incorporate it into my grow. That's gonna be freaking sweet. Oh man, you guys can't see this, but there is cannabis leaf, like confetti stuff. Thanks for boosting the Discord, Drew. Seen him in there, Drew? Awesome. Thanks for working hard. There's the back of it, a little AC Infinity thing there. You guys are freaking fantastic. And slaps, man, stickers. I love stickers. You know where they go straight on the bucket. So we got some stickers here. Freaking sweet. I love slaps. Now this keychain, I've been seeing this thing, and this keychain is freaking sweet, man. It's a little grow tent with a plant inside. That's so cool. I'm probably actually going to hang this from my rear view mirror in my car. Let's see here. A grinder card. I'm interested in what this is. We're actually going to open this stuff. It feels different. I thought it was just like a card to like scrape your tray with. But it feels metal, so I think it's a milling card. Like a card that you actually grind up with. And that's cool. It feels hard. I don't know if I can get it open. Let's cut the whole thing on. Bro, it comes... Bro, AC Infinity, this is sleek, bro. So... Comes in a little carrying case, like with a grow tent on it, like a hotel room key. Bruh. There we go. It is a milling card. That's cool, man. I can just scrape whatever I'm grinding up against it. Wink. That's freaking sweet, man. Oh man, this swag box is awesome. Alrighty, and last but not least, we have a shirt, which comes in a nice Ziploc packaging. Fantastic, as always. Their packaging is on point. Man, this shirt is sweet. You'll definitely be seeing me wear this in future videos. So it's got just the logo on front with the founding date, 2012. Fantastic. But then on the back, wham, it shows all their gear, man. How freaking sweet is that? Oh, bro, that's awesome. And then the bottom of the box, AC Infinity. Man, you guys are fantastic. Thanks for the little swag box. I boosted this before I even know you guys were giving it away. So you guys are awesome. Thank you for all the hard work you and your whole team does over there. Once again, thanks. Make sure you guys go out and check out my grow videos. We're definitely going to be having more of those coming. And like I said, hop in my Discord, hop in AC Infinity's Discord. There's so many good resources there. So many good growers there, man. You guys have done such a great job just bringing everybody together. And thank you. Thank you, AC Infinity. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Later.